Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a home screen folder on your Google Pixel. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, take a look at your home screen and locate the app that you want to include in your folder. This could be any app you'd like to organize together with others, such as social media apps, productivity tools, or games. Once you've identified the app, press and hold on its icon. You'll notice the app icon will slightly lift or enlarge, indicating that it's now ready to be moved around your screen. Now comes the key step. While still holding the app icon, carefully drag it directly above another application that you want to group it with. This is important because placing one app on top of another is what triggers the folder creation. Make sure you're positioning it precisely over the second app icon, not just near it, as the placement needs to be accurate for this to work properly. Once you have the first app hovering directly above the second app, release your finger from the screen. The moment you do this, your Google Pixel will automatically create a new folder containing both of these applications. You'll see the two app icons now appear together inside a small circular folder icon on your home screen. This folder helps you organize your apps and keeps your home screen clean and tidy. If you want to add more apps to this newly created folder, the process is just as simple. Press and hold on any other application that you'd like to include in the folder. Then drag that app icon over to the folder you just created and release it inside. The app will be added to the folder immediately. You can repeat this process as many times as you need, adding as many apps as you want to the same folder. This makes it incredibly easy to group similar apps together, whether you're organizing by category, usage frequency, or any other system that works for you. And that's it. You've successfully created a home screen folder on your Google Pixel and learned how to add multiple apps to it. This simple organization trick can help you declutter your home screen and access your favorite apps more efficiently. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.